how are you? I'm very happy come here to share with you for the class, okay? The class, the purpose for this class is going to train, we call it programmer and project manager, okay, for this class, okay? But once you're going to train yourself, become as a program manager, I think this is international societies. It's not only for speaking with Chinese. So you need to speak with pretty American English, okay? So people like to communicate with you, okay? Because you're in Taiwan. If you take the airplane, you go to the sky around about 30 minutes, you will find the world is Chinese. Everybody speaks English, okay? If you're landing in the United States, you talk to somebody else, American people. If they see you speak pretty American English, what do they feel? They feel we are the same language. They treat you very nice, very respect. If you speak like with Chinese English, okay, and then people know you are not with an American, Native American, so they'll be despised, understand? And they don't know. Very nice, respectfully, okay? So even if you get a promotion, and it's difficult for you, okay? This is not only for you. It's only for all the Chinese people go to American immigrants or go to the United States study, okay? If your English is not so good, in the company, you never can get promoted. You become cold farmer. Do you know what is cold farmer? Cold farmer, like a farmer, every day, sit leaders write the programs. They're just like a farmer, every day playing the plan on the farm. Nobody talk to you. The boss only tell you, are you finished your project? Are you finished your program? Do you have any problem? That's it, okay? Okay? Because your communication is not good. You understand? In the meeting, if you did not speak in pretty American English, and the boss weird, where these people come from? How come they speak this kind of English? How come they make my company culture like this? You understand? So you must speak in pretty American English. Let me tell you the truth. If you go to the United States to study, okay, the PhD programs, the master programs, if your communication is not good enough, the professors will despise you. They won't give you a good grade. If you can speak pretty American English, hi boss, hi John, and I know how to do this one, and I think that program is very important. So I think how to solve that, okay? I know how to write the program, okay? And they find you speak pretty American English, you see that you who has the same line, you understand? So they give you a good grade, okay? This is a real life, understand? Okay. So I'm going to tell you now, this class I'm going to have you how to do now. Improve, speak with pretty American English, okay? And use the English class for teaching. Okay, the first one, we are computer science department, right? So we know English. We are using computer science technology to help students to know the English, okay? Okay, so the first one we share, okay? This is a very nice software. They call what? Look at this one. They call speech note. Speech notes. Speech change notes. In our computer programs, our capabilities are what? We are using voice convert to text technologies. Once you speak within words, the computer can recognize your pronunciations and convert to words to save your time. Let me tell you something. I use this technology through a dental program, okay? So the dentist, they see the patient, they put the earphone and a microphone on the mouth. So they speak the English or the Chinese, and they can record the medical record, understand? Without any typing, no, just you speak, okay? The age is 25, the name is John, and the dental, the problems is the 3 cavities, 1 missing tooth, and with the periodontic disease, understand? So let me tell you this one, okay? Look, this is so funny. Even after speaking years, they automatically transfer to the English, understand? Okay, so this is they call the speech note. So the speech note, once you speak, they convert your speak to English. If this is a 90% can be converted to what happened, that means your pronunciation is very nice, okay? Hello, are you going to come here for practice? Come here, let me share something. You don't want this? Do you want to say something? No, I have always dictionary sentence you can speak, okay? So that's something can help you and see how it's going on. Okay, maybe you're shy, okay? Okay, so please, they call it speech note. Remember it, okay? It's a free software, very nice. When I use this one, I never write the Chinese, okay? Even the English. Because I just speak the Chinese, they convert to Chinese immediately, very fast, and I pass it into the words, okay? It's very nice, okay? So they call what? They call the speech notes, okay? All right. Before you go to speak English, let me tell you something with this one. What the problem for with the majority of the students, and your pronunciation is not very accurate. So here's this one, okay? So I'm going to now, there are 24 consonant sounds and 20 vowel sounds. Let me tell you this one, okay? The first one, once you speak, sometimes it's not very clear. So at the beginning of the class, I'm going to spend like 20 minutes. I'm going to help you and speak with pretty American standard English, okay? I'm going to help you remove the foreign accent. What is foreign accent? You go in the United States, some people come with the Chinese, they speak the Chinese English. Do you have your breakfast yet? Oh yes, I have, boss. That is the breakfast is high school. Oh, the breakfast is delicious, I like it, and like your sandwich. That is nice, thank you, sir. You understand? It's a flat. Chinese is a flat, you understand? There's no intonation, it's a flat. So you speak the Chinese English like a flat. Oh yes, I finished my assignment, boss. And that project is very nice. I just not complete like 2 hours ago. Is everything's okay? You understand? The Chinese English, okay? If you're Japanese, they speak the Japanese English. Hi, Odo-san desu. Are you finished your program? Hi, boss. I just finished my program. That program is so difficult, but I finished it. Understand? Japanese is every time they speak something like a boring, understand? If you see the people come from India, hi, India, how's your finish your program? Hi, yes, boss. I just finished my program. That is a difficult program. I don't like it. I don't like it. India is very nice people. It's very weird people, understand? They eat the words. Understand? How is the program going? Boss, the program is very nice. I've just finished. They eat the word, understand? And the Indian people so weird. You say, do you want to go to the party? The Indian people say, yes, boss. I want to go to the party. They say, yes, shake their head. Do you like the program? No, I don't like the program. Do you see? Indian reverse, understand? So they eat the words, okay? The people come from the Texas. In the Texas, they said, hi, John, are you finished your program? Yes, boss. I just finished my programs like 2 minutes ago. That is a little bit difficult for me. But however, I finished the program, boss. You understand? They make them longer, okay? The Texas English. If the people come from New York, and the boss say, hey, hi Steve, are you finished the program? Oh yes, boss, I just finished it. That is really very fast. I just finished 2 minutes ago. This speak fast, understand? Because they're more efficient, okay? So this is why the English, if you go to stay United States, okay, you become an international people, okay? And you need to speak with a pretty American English, okay? You want to speak pretty American English? Do you like it? Let me go help you, okay? Let me help you remove the foreign accent, okay? Because Victor and work in the United States, and do you know what happened? I work in the United States, and I go to a meeting, my boss is coming. Hi Victor, you speak the Chinese English, okay? If you're going to stay in the United States, you can't speak the Chinese English. You need to speak American English, okay? I said, boss, how can I speak with American English? And he said, that's okay. I'm going to send you to the class. Completely before that. So I sent it to you, study, they call it speech pathologies. But very famous professor is come from the New York University, just my school, NYU, New York University, and I come to study almost like 6 months. So I'm going to help you to remove foreign accent. So you take the class, you're very lucky, you understand? People pay a lot of money to remove foreign accent. I'm going to show you, okay? All right. I'm going to speak Greek American English. Do you like it? Why? You're so weird. Our school has so many beautiful foreign students come from the whole world. If you can speak Greek American English, you can go and make friendship with them. Let me tell you a true story, okay? When I was at the National Chinese University, and I opened the course, how to train on the people's employees to as a receptionist to welcome foreign students come to It was a National Chinese University, there were a lot of foreign students. After a gentleman and take my class, and his English become good, and not afraid. He can speak pretty American English. Do you know what happened? His girlfriend is come from Sweden. Yeah, it's golden hair, so beautiful girl. And that girl is like Chinese. Come to the National Chinese University, studying the Chinese programs. Do you know what happened after 6 months? What happened? The girl say, "Hi, John, I'm going to say goodbye to you because I finished my class. I go back to Sweden. But I'm so sorry. I'm going to leave you. I'm going to miss you." The John, what did it say? "Don't worry about that. I will follow you." You understand? And the John go to the United States and they go to Pennsylvania, and the Pennsylvania State University is a very famous university in Pennsylvania, and they get his master's degrees. After 2 years, he used a line, said to, "Hi Mary, I finished my master's programs in Pennsylvania. Are you going to come to the United States and be my guest?" Okay? And the girl member said, "Oh yeah, congratulations, John." Just 1 week, she flies from Switzerland, Switzerland to Pennsylvania. Do you know? After 6 months, you know what happened? The girl married to that guy. And he married a beautiful lady, come from Switzerland. Because why? You can speak a pretty American English, understand? Because you can speak, you can communicate, okay? You're going to talk. You can see so handsome man. You can speak pretty American English, understand? Is that good for you? Yeah, you're right, okay? All right, so please repeat after me, okay? Okay, all the girls, please repeat after me. English is a big mouth language. So when you speak, let your mouth is bigger, okay? Clear, okay? And Chinese say something is very short. 你有吃过午餐吗? Like a bullet. So if you use Chinese style, going to speak English, you know what happened? Do you have your lunch yet? Do you have your lunch? It's very fast. Fast, what happened? What has an adverse event? We eat. The end of that pronunciation. Look at this one. Okay, lamp. If you use the Chinese speak very fast, lamp. It's a lamp or a lamp. So people will become confused. So if you speak English, please make them longer, understand? Slowly make them longer, like this one. Lamp. Repeat after me. Lamp. I can hear you. Lamp. Lamp. Yeah, this is equal to ramp. Ramp. Yeah. And they call it lace. Race. Yeah, right, make them longer, understand? Okay, I'm going to shoe. Please. Here. I'm going to change your become interesting for the English. We learn the English from our primary school, but actually the method is not that we say no. It's so wonderful. Do you know why? We are study Chinese, purple and the words separate. We're going to teach our students how to speak English. For example, you say the book, B-O-O-K, but U-Bu, book. B-O-O-K, but U-Bu, book. The kids study English like this. This guarantee will be failed. Understand why? If you go to the United States, the little kid, only 3 years, "Hey, mommy, I want to drink the milk, The kid only 3 years old, he cannot read the word, right? So how come he can speak? Because from the sound. You understand sound? In the whole world, the language have 2 kinds. The first one is what? Is a pronunciation and the words is combined together. Just like the English is combined together. Another one is separate, just like the Chinese. If you did not read the pronoun form, you look at Chinese, you cannot speak, right? In the Japanese, if you see the Japanese, and they are sung with the word combined together. For example, adobo, right? What is adobo? Adobo is a little kid. Do you know why adobo? Every time they know. Yes, adobo, okay? And the Japanese, so they are using no. For example, we say no. And odosa, okasa, right? So they cut. So their words like the with the pronunciation, so it's good. But if you read the English, let me tell you something, okay? Don't look the meaning. Look pronunciation. Do this one. A lamp. Okay, repeat after me. Lamp. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Okay. If you go to the United States, let me tell you something. If you run out the airplane landing in the United States, you know what happened? So many of the foreigners from the whole world will want the airplane landing in the United States. If you are going to stay in the United States for a job, for a living or immigrant, you know what happened? The first one, everybody go to study English. You're going to pay a lot of money, you understand? A lot of money to study English. And some people did not find a good professor. He speaks here like the Indian English, Chinese English, Japanese English. So they need a speech pathologist can help you remove your foreign accent. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. Okay, so when one speak English, please, your mouth be bigger. Okay, all right, and don't look the meaning, just look the pronunciation. Look this one. Okay, let me, the lamp. Repeat after me. Lamp.
Lamp.
Yeah, good. Ramp.
Ramp.
Yes, very good. That's very nice. Leg. Rake. Awake. Do you awake? Do you awake? If you do not say, do you awake? Do you awake? What I mean is it far away? Or it's awake. You understand? So very important, okay? So become a longer and at the end of the syllabus, very clearly pronunciation, okay? Okay, next. Lock. Rock. Walk. Walk. Okay? Light. Light. Right. Right. Okay? Load. Please load the C# program for me, okay? Please load the database for me, okay? Load, okay? So you speak slowly, okay? And so, okay, one more time. And load. One more. Road. Yeah. Words. Words from you. Words from you. Don't look the meaning, just look the pronunciation. You understand? One more time. Words from you. Words from you. Okay? And so you speak, you understand? You must open your mouth. Okay? Make them very clear. Okay? Okay. That's nice. Let me see number 2. Okay, this one. Look at this one. S and she, see. Repeat after me. See. She. She. Okay, even some people, you understand? Look at this one. Hi. Hi, that girl. Is she beautiful? Oh, you said, yeah, he's beautiful. Come on, what happened? You said the girl is a she, but he said he is a beautiful. What that means? He tell me he's a gay because he like the men, but not like the girl. You understand? So do you know? She and he is very important. Understand? So, okay. So let's go to gender. Okay, don't say the sex. Gender. Okay, gender is the what? 是性别. Okay, don't say the sex. Understand? Okay, repeat after me. Okay, she, he. Make it longer. She. I can hear you. The beautiful head girl. I can hear you. She. He. Okay. Do you want to listen to a joke? Let me tell you a joke, okay? When I go to NYU, the first thing I'm going to go to a new university and to study. And we all send to study the English program, okay? Very expensive. One semester, we're going to spend $4,000 US. Right now it's $8,000, okay? US dollars, okay? And the first class, our professor is a master. He said, hey, where you come from? Hey, where you come from? Taiwan, right? Where you come from? Taiwan? Where you come from? Japan? Where you come from? Oh, you said I come from Iran, okay? Iran, okay? And I come from the whole world. And the master, they said, okay, next week, everybody bring one fruit from your country and introduce that fruit and share for everybody else and speak English. Very happy. And the Taiwanese, you know what they bring? They bring the 肉粽. These are, they call it bamboo leaves, okay? Chinese hamburger made by bamboo, you understand? Color bamboo. Everybody's so delicious, okay? Iranian give what? It's a date. You know what the date? 我们叫早椰, okay? So they call it's a noun, they call the date. If the verb they call it date, okay? And they give everybody one. And then the Iranian is so handsome, understand? It is so handsome, wow, like a gemstone, okay? And the brown hairs is very nice, very tall, okay? And the Taiwanese girl, and find that John is so beautiful, so handsome, okay? And John give a date. Next week, in the class, they said, hey, how's the date? Do you know what they said? The Mary said, hi John, thank you for your invitation. I have a test next week. I cannot come. How about after our test? Let's have a date. The John's so weird. He asked you how is the date. I mean, how is your test for that fruit? They call it date. Does not ask you, let's have a date. Understand? Okay, so that's mean the English must be very clear. Understand? Otherwise, cause we confused. Okay. All right. So you speak something, must know. What do you say? Oh, that is so delicious food. I never have ever eat. What do you feel? Are you happy? She's so nice. What do you say?
Very delicious.
Delicious? Yeah, interesting. Delicious is good. Have one word that goes gourmet. Gourmet is better than delicious. Okay? Oh, your food is so gourmet. I never eaten before. Excuse me, you say something better than what he said. It's delicious. You say gourmet is much more beautiful. Understand? Not only good to eat, they're a little bit beautiful. Okay? Hello. What do you say? You say, oh, Lily, your food, your cooking, it's so decent. You know what is decent? 非常深度精美美好的，你知道吗？叫 decent. Oh, your food is so decent. I never eaten it before. So wonderful. Thank you. I never forgot how good your cooking capability. So decent. So decent. You understand? Express decent. Understand? So English sometimes express this one. Is that fun? Is that fun? Yeah, English is fun. Okay. Okay. So this one subject. Okay. Okay. And let me share something. Okay. Go here. Okay. Okay. So we very fast and follow me. Go to the make your pronunciation is accurate. Okay. And I'm going to teach you something very common conversation. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. Shift. Make them longer, please. Boys and girls, please follow me. Make them longer. That capability is belong to yourself. You practice 20 minutes. You improve your English. Understand? Once you go to conference, once you go to American conference, once you become a project manager and go to talk to some people, you'll improve yourself. Okay. Repeat after me. Shift. Shift. Beat. 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 Chip. Cheap. Cheap. Okay, cheap. Be careful. United States, some people say, that guy is so cheap. Do you know what I mean? It's a bad word. They say that guy is really, they call this guy so cheap. Understand? Okay. All right, and one more time, seed. Repeat after me. Seed. Sit. Okay? Okay. One more, okay? One more, okay? Okay, verb is length, okay? Once you speak something, please be careful, okay? Make them listen longer, okay? Why? Pick. Pick. Well, once you read English, speak English, let me tell you one thing, okay? Never thinking the meaning. Just look at English vocabulary pronunciation. How to focus to pronounce every within the syllabus pronunciation. If you know letters pronunciation and use your ear to listen what that means for that sound. If you can understand that sound, that means you can understand English. If you can understand that sound, you know how to type it, how to pronunciation. Do you understand? So because that pronunciation and the words connect together. So the English, if you can speak correctly, then you can type correctly. Okay, very fast. Okay. All right. So one more time. Okay. Lock. Okay. Please open your mouth and try fast. Lock. Lock. Okay. And do you see the lock last night report? Do you see the lock report? What the lock report? If you are the project managers in the computer science, what the major job you're doing? You come to the office every day morning, you come here and you take a cup of coffee and say here, no, have, they call the, we say, like entry-level programmer assistant. They will put the report on your desk. See the log report. What's a log report? To record all the program processing last night. Have any abnormal function, have some hijacker go steal the data, have some program terminated. They're going to see everything is on the normal process. If any abnormal, it will be called the guy come here. So what happened? You need to explain. You understand? So the boss, if you are the project managers, okay, if you are the CIO, what do I mean CIO? What do I mean CIO? The company is a very important person. One is the CEO, one is the CIO, right? One is the CFO. It's not a UIO, UFO, no. Okay, let me tell you something. Okay, what is this? What is the CFO? Let me tell you the truth, okay? Victor working in the United States, the boss, every time you get a call, 3 persons most important in the company. CFO, they call the Chief Financial Officers. Every day they're going to ask you, report, how much money we make, how much money we spend, do we have enough money, do we have how much net profit? The CFO needs to report the boss every day, okay? If your department, let me Victor is working in the hospital, okay? In the New York Hospital Corporations. And the boss every morning is called the 3 persons, CFO, CIO, CEO come to the office at 10 o'clock meetings. He asks you how many patients and yesterday's, how much money we make, and do we lose some money? And if every department, how is a working situation, you get a report. They said, hello, hi, my name is Victor, what's your name? Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Jerry is the chief of the pediatric. Jerry goes to him. If yesterday or last month, your patient is not reaching that volume because lost money, you know what happened? The CFO will tell you, Jerry, you cannot spend any money because you lost money, so your department must be freeze your budget, okay? If more over, they're going to lay down the people. It's more over, and the Jerry will be off, you understand? So United States is terrible, you understand? The CFO report every day. The CEO, what is the CEO? They call it CEO, they mean Chief Executive Officers. 使命必达. When the project make a meeting, we say we're going to start. That must be finished, okay? Who cannot finish, who will be laid off, will be out of the job, will be fired, understand? They call the CEO, understand? And what is CIO? Chief Information Officers, the top one, okay? And once you design the program project it's going to launch, no matter how difficult, the CIO must be finished, okay? If they cannot finish, the CIO we call what? Career is over, understand? The career is over, okay? If you become a CIO and your project cannot finish and apply, and we say not happen, and you become, and thank you so much for your CIO, the chief, and they call the career is over, understand? Okay, thank you so much for your contribution, and give you a pink slip. You know what the pink slip? When once you're done, United States, they fire the people, they will say, thank you. They never reprimand, okay? Never argue with employee. They just say, thank you for your contributions, and our expectation and your capabilities does not match. So I cannot keep going on to work together. I recommend go to find something new, very interesting, good for you. Okay, that's true, okay? And then give you a pink slip. You know what the pink slip? 失业单叫 pink slip, you are fired. You know what happened? You get a pink slip next Monday. You go to the Social Security officers. You can get a half salary pay for 6 months. If you get $4,000, you get a pink slip. You can get $2,000 per month. Okay, get 6 months. Okay, you understand? Okay, so CIO. Okay, so once you look at the English, so be careful this one. Okay, well this one we're going to finish, and I think we're going to come back to go to share ours now. The My Manager. Okay, how do you My Manager write the system analysis and train yourself become like a project manager. Okay, okay, just repeat after me. Okay, and look at the and the miss. Repeat after me. Miss. Misses. Good. Miss is. Okay. And the leak. League. Leak. League. Hey, Calvin, if you go with the lady, you say, oh, what a beautiful lady. You say it's a lake, you understand? Because lake and lake, if we eat the last we say now, the pronunciation will be what happened? People confused. You say the lake, what is the lake? You understand? Okay, so be careful in the last we say now. We say now pronunciation, okay? Please make them slowly and very clearly, okay? Alright, so one more time. And safe, 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 safe. Good. Fit, feed, fit, fit. Knees, 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 knees. Okay, come on, the girls here. 3 minutes. I'm going to teach you. American people speak the Chinese. I only use the 30 seconds. I can teach American people understand the Chinese and speak Chinese. Do you believe that? Do you believe that, Kevin? Only 1 minute. I can teach American people can speak Chinese. Do you believe that? You believe? Oh, you're so nice. Really, he's so nice. Kevin is so cute. It's cute? Yeah. Okay. Hi, my name is Victor. What's your name? Huh? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Rani. Run. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Please, speak a lot. Oh, your head is a blue. Your mask is a blue. You're so nice. Okay. Okay. And then your head is a duck. Do you see black? And her mask is a black. It's nice. Okay. You know how to mix the colors. Okay. All right. My name is Victor. How are you? What's your name? Branka. Branka. Is it Branka? One more time. A Branka. Oh, that's nice. Branka. Okay. Chica bonita, Branka señorita. You know what I mean? Let me finish Spanish. Chica bonita. Chica is a beautiful girl. Okay. Brenda, chica bonita, señorita. You understand? She's a so beautiful girl. Is it nice? I can't hear you. Victor's teaching English. You can speak Spanish. Okay? Okay. Your smile is so good. Okay? All right. Okay. Let's go back here. Okay? Go back here. Okay? And so once you speak English, make them longer. Don't get the word. You understand? Don't get the words. That's the pronunciation. Okay? Hello, hi. My name is Victor. What's your name? Selena. Alina. It's very nice. Like my friends come from Poland. Okay, so she's a Polish. Alina. Okay, I remember. Okay, so beautiful girl. Okay, there's a golden hair, so nice. Every time, hi, pictures are you. Like this time, let's have a cup of coffee. She's so nice. Okay, okay. So let me tell you something. Okay, once you speak English, please speak longer. Okay, and repeat after me. Where am I? Repeat after me. Where am I? So English, da 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 da. So every time speak something, and speaks out. Hi, how are you, John? Hi, how are you? You say Alina. Okay, okay. Hi, chica bonita, Brenda señorita. What do you say? Gracias, Victor. Gracias, Victor, señores. I'm sorry, I mixed the Spanish and Japanese. You say now, gracias, señor Victor. Okay. So thank you so much now for that. Hi, Victor, sir. Understand? Okay? Is that cute? I can see your smile. It's good. Okay? So you go to the United States, you're very happy. Okay? So many people can speak the joke and speak a nice American English for you. Okay? Okay, very nice. Okay. All right. If you go to the United States, you will find what happened. Oh, some American people is tall, is handsome, stronger, and looks so healthy, so shiny. You understand? Okay. So the American style, they go straight. Go straight. Okay. Okay, they rarely play the game to the keyboard, okay? Alright, so we will United States. Okay, repeat after me, okay? Okay, oh, I forget. 1 minute teach American people speak Chinese. Do you believe that? Brenda? You believe that? You're so nice, girl. She's so nice, girl. You trust me, okay? I know it. Her heart don't trust me, okay? Oh, yes, this is Chinese. Okay, and Alina, do you believe 1 minute Victor can teach American people speak Chinese? Know how to speak Chinese? Do you believe that? Do you want me to prove that? Okay. Name me, point, something, speak English. 墙壁 how to speak English? World. One more time. 墙壁怎么说 ？W-A-L-L. World. World. What is? I. Please. I only one. Please two X. Eyes. One more time. What is? Yeah. What is this? Knees, right? Okay. Okay. Repeat loudly. Okay. If I point something, please speak English. Okay. 墙壁。眼睛。膝盖。Thank you. Or I need. Thank you. Okay. 膝盖。膝盖 how to say this? Knee. I. 墙壁。Okay. One more time. Knee. I. Or I need. Very nice. Okay. Why did I hear a smile? Is that true? 3 minutes you can teach American people speak English. Okay? Alright, so this is the call. Okay, one more time. Okay. Alright. Please. Please. Prove. Prove. Believe. 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 Okay. What he said is a nice belief. 他的信仰 very nice. I believe what he's believe. I believe what he's believe. 我相信他的信。You understand? Okay. Don't read. I believe what he's believe. Believe. It's a grammar error. You understand? Okay. The last one. Excuse. Repeat after me. Very important. Excuse. Excuse. Don't give me an excuse. Just do the job, okay? I don't want to hear any excuse. Just do the job. Any problem, just call me, understand? Excuse does not solve the problem. Only make the problem more worse, okay? We need a solution, you understand? Okay. Let me tell you something, okay? You go in United States. And so funny, the people stand in front of you. Do you know what they say? Hi, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, excuse me. And they will, no, you couldn't pass, right? Okay, because you stand in ahead of him, okay, then you cannot pass, okay? Okay, all right. Do you know American people are so nice? He see the guy, Kevin, you stand here, right? He cannot pass. He say, hi, Kevin. Excuse you. Not to say excuse me, okay? Suppose I'm sorry, excuse me, okay? He said, that's your fault. Hi, Kevin. Excuse you. Can you let me pass? Excuse you. Understand? Why did I hear a smile? That's a joke. Okay. All right. Well, the girls said because we are to train our students to become these project managers. The key point is a computer job, right? Computer class. Okay. So I'm going to go back. Okay. Next time I'm going to keep going on. At time I'm going to train you to keep practice. Do you think that is useful? What do you learn? What do you learn after we take 30 minutes of English? The first one, you are using speech note to help training your pronunciation, right? Speech note. I just know, open that speech note, you can practice your pronunciation, right? Make the computer see you open up or not. They call it speech note. How to make yourself improve your writing capability is what? Grammarly, right? And how do you help you to remove foreign accent? Who is happy? Victor, right? Victor, right? Okay. Let me tell you something, okay? Just one day, okay? Just hold a second, okay? Let me tell you something. Hello, boy, girls, pay attention here. Okay, 1 minute, let me tell you something very important idea. You come to the class this afternoon. Who paid the lunch for? Are you going to pay by yourself? The lunch. And you come to the class, you need to pay the tuition. Is the tuition paid by yourself? Right? It's paid by your father, right? Or yourself, right? So let me tell you something. You have your thinking. You have your your opinions. Never hold your idea inside your heart. must be very brave to tell somebody what do you feel, what do you think. Because people is still the communication to accommodate to each other, to satisfy each other's service. Do you understand? So don't be, you say, put something under your heart, understand? Okay? Just not say something, okay? So, do you find, has any contribution for you to another English class? I just spent 30 minutes. Do you learn something? Do you learn something? I can hear you. Come on, you say, yes, I learned a lot, right? So wonderful, right? We suppose you say that you extra point, you understand? You'll say, yes, yes, you understand? Okay, is that something is good for you? Do you learn something for English? That's good, okay, good ball. Okay, you're so smart, okay? Alright, okay, let's come back to the wisdom the wisdom system analysis, okay? Alright, boys and girls, let me come back here. So, okay, look this one. And I need to shift back that for you, okay? Do you see? We are using the Mind Manager. This one, Mind Manager here, look this one. Okay? Okay, please open your computers. Please open your computers for the Mind Manager. Do you have the Mind Manager? Okay, I do believe you have because you get also a notebook, right? Okay, good. Open Mind Manager. Let me say something. Look at this one. In the Mind Manager here, look at this one. They call the view, okay? Okay? Do you see? You can make them larger, okay? Make them larger, okay? Okay. The first one, you write a program, okay? You see? This is they call the benchmarking system, okay? And we're using the first three, we say the larger characters as a project name. It's they call the benchmarking system, the BMS. BMS is the date, okay? And the dash number 1 is the first version, okay? Okay, version, okay? So this one we can see the view, okay? You see the view? More we can see here is, okay? Okay, all right, so this one, you see benchmarking system here. The first one, you just press your right hand, insert branch, okay? If you see the insert branch, okay, this one I said now use not, which is not like a view, okay? Okay, and this becomes a little smaller, okay? Okay, look at this one. Just one more time. The file here, this one, it's open to see. BMS, you see? Okay, look at this one. The benchmarking system here is, you see these programs? The first one you write, use your mouse, please insert branch, okay? And once you insert branch, you see the first one, look at this one. On the, we got to know, we say now, create a project, okay? And the project, okay? And the next, you need to understand rationale. Okay? Well, once you are project managers, you're going to write computer programs. You're going to discuss with your clients. And you need to understand, okay? Let me see something, okay? You need to understand what, okay? You need to understand, okay? Okay, this one. The rationale. Rationale is why. Heist. Kevin, why you want to write these programs? I'm your programmer vendors. Vendor, that means the company, okay? You are the boss, okay? And we have a meeting, and in the 9 o'clock in the mornings, and bring a call from how are you? One of the printers, hi, this is a coffee for you. You're very happy, right? The first thing to ask rationale, why you want this program, okay? You'll be telling me because of my complaints, and a lot of our job is old process by the way, our employees. I want to use my computer, it's much more efficient, save the money, you understand? So the rationale, you understand? Okay, the first one you got the rationale, okay? The number 2, you need got what? The rationale, and the number 2 you get so we see purpose. The purpose. What is the purpose? If your programs give you extra 10 functions, you only to spend money to buy 5 functions. He give you give you extra 3 functions for free. What do you feel? Are you happy? You don't need to pay money. They give you extra programming function, right? So that's the reason why. So they don't give them 100%, give them only 60%. We finish, give them extra 40%. People so lucky, understand? Okay, you're a nice guy, okay? And the number two lesson here. Tell them the challenge. What's the challenge? I'm sorry, your database is using Microsoft Express. And the Microsoft Express, we have Microsoft Enterprise. We have Microsoft Express. We have MySQL, okay? And don't use MySQL because that's for kids, okay? Hey, Kevin, MySQL is for kids. What's the reason? The kindergarten students, okay? Everybody uses free MySQL, understand? Do you know why? MySQL only around about 10 G. Explosion, you understand? They cannot fit in the data, can you cause a big trouble, okay? Because it's for kids, you understand? Okay? It's not for the enterprise, okay? If you're using SQL Express, is that good for you? SQL Express is Microsoft SQL Express good, big company, right? Are you happy? If your vendors give you the Microsoft Express, it's free and you can use it for your program. Are you happy? Don't happy too early because you don't understand. 16G explosion. You understand? Only explosion after 6 months. Do you understand? If your company run the programs after 6 months explosion, your database cannot fit in and the system crashed due to database full. Okay? What do you feel? What do you feel? You spend $1 million. After 6 months, your honeymoon time is over. Your system crashed. The database is full. 16G is full. What's your name? My name is Victor. What's your name? Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Your database is full. 16G. You need to upgrade your database. SQL Enterprise. And then you say, hey, Kevin, we need to upgrade with SQL Enterprise, okay? And Kevin, this is what you said. Oh, that's perfect. Yes, we need to upgrade. Yes. But you need to pay money. Oh, do you know how much money? $240,000. Oh, this is why. What do you feel? Good or bad? You feel bad, right? Then you argue, okay, Kevin, what happened? You said the guarantee is work, but right now only 6 months is crash. Okay, you need to spend $240,000? Are you crazy? I'm a robber, okay? Okay? I don't spend so much money. Please understand one thing. The software engineering, your client is very stringent. 你的软体的老板，你的对方的供应商，就是要跟你买城市的这些老板，都是非常的 stringent， 像真的要花钱小气的。为什么花？ Because the culture not get used to. If you buy a house, you do decoration, right? And they tell you this is $1 million. I'm sorry, Kevin, this is not $1 million because of the very expensive for the labels. With the material expensive, you need to pay $250,000 because of all your budget. What do you feel? You pay money, right? But computer science, you don't pay money. You understand? So people say the other different. Because why? You see decoration, you can see something, but the computer software you can see nothing, so they won't pay the money. You understand? Okay, so you got trouble. You understand? So in here, you tell them your database is only using for 16G. If you do not do the clean your database, okay, so after 16G, you'll be fully loaded. You need to pay $240,000, okay? But you see, I'm the Kevin, you're lucky guy. Jerry, you know why? Why? I can write a program to back up your program, okay? And then maybe you don't spend so much money. Your database never full. Your system can run very smoothly. I write extra, they call the backup program. It'll be good for you, okay? Are you happy? I'm going to save the money. We don't need $240,000. Just $100,000. Yeah, it's very hard. So you get backup system. You save the money. You understand? What happened? He gave me a water, understand? Because you tell them you need to spend $240,000, but I run a backup program for you. Okay, you only spend $10,000. $100,000. You say $140,000. You understand? So you're happy, okay? So write the program, please. Tell your vendors what is the weakness of your programs, okay? What the problem you'll be faced, what challenge, and how much cost, okay? Write down everything in the details. You understand? Inside the contract, okay? Okay, let me tell you something. Look, I'm going to play the magic for you, okay? Okay? Jin Da they play the magic, right? And a Taiwanese is a guy can play the magic. What's his name? What is his name? The Chinese guy, Taiwanese, can play the magic. See? Liu Xian. That he is good? That Liu Xian is good? It's good, right? Come on. Liu Xian is a nothing. He only played with the magic. Victor can play the computer magic for you. We are computer science, we play the computer magic for you. Do you believe? Oh, he's so nice. Do you see? I did not show you. And then she said, I give you extra point. You're so nice. I like you say the truth, okay? You're not only beautiful, and your heart is so beautiful, so humble, okay? All right, let me play the computer magic for you, okay? Look at this one, okay? This is the line manager. Look at this one. Look. Please see the bulletin board, okay? Well, once you finish your system analysis, okay? And here's, you should, okay, well, the girls just give you a break, okay? And then, you see, file, look this one. Wow, magic is coming, look what it is, look. Don't let your client see this one, okay? You see, this is a progressive bar and going very fast. What he's doing for, you'll be amazing. Amazing for what? Look this one. You see? PowerPoint, look this one. And please give them a close for the PowerPoint, okay? And here's the design, this one, and give them these colors, and make them have a colors, okay? Don't be naked, okay? You understand? Don't like your PowerPoint naked with presentation, okay? You see? Look this one. I'm going to show you our discussion. You see? This is a project, okay? Have so many the database, okay? And this is the database, and this is the function names. And all your system, your function, do you see how many functions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and inside the database, okay? Do you see? This is the database name, your variable names, so people understand this program, what they did, okay? Well, once you finish, if any questions, come here for discussion, okay? So if you finish with the PowerPoint presentation, okay? How long I finish the PowerPoint? Did I spend like 10 minutes? Brenda? I finished 9 minutes to become a PowerPoint. How long I took the time? How long? Maybe 30 seconds, right? And the 30 seconds I show you the PowerPoint. Is that good? Do you believe that? Never let the people see you are using the Mind Manager compared to PowerPoint. Hi, we take a break, okay? After they come back, take a break. Oh, you finish your PowerPoint. How come you can finish 15 pages? Oh, I'm an MPU student, computer science. I'm so smart. How come I cannot? How come? And I cannot finish because I'm a good quality in my department. You understand? Well, our school reputation is national. You understand? It's not private. I'm so smart, so come to the school. You understand? Blow your horn. Do you know what is blow your horn? 吹点小牛 ，you understand? 就拿起手上一把号，各吹各的号 ，OK? Blow your horn, you understand? OK. Kevin, is that good? OK. Lesson. Here. Everybody happy. See the PowerPoint. Okay, right? Oh, thank you so much for your time. I'm really so appreciative for your come here and for the meetings. Okay, and look, file. Look the pages. File. Export to what? To the Word document. Look at this one, Word documents. Do you see? Press C. Wow, do you see? What happened? Look. Right now, they take all the mind managers, their system analysis, their functions, and write it into a report, okay? And this report like this, please see this. Do you see? Wow. Do you see? The system here has so many functions, okay? And there's so many functions, and inside the function, you see it's very detailed. Even including the variables and the functions and all the program spec. And please be careful here, okay? Here, put it YW1H. What is YW? And the first one, the date, time. The first one what is where? Where's the place? The meeting place, okay? One is the date, okay? And which is going to discuss what kind of problem, okay? Who is discussion, okay? Whom you are discussion for, okay? And how to do this, okay? And the place here is, okay? Oh, this is so beautiful. You see? Sign in. Understand this one, okay? You see? But once you finish the Word documents, and the place, put it we can know the where, the place for the meeting place, and the when, the day time, from which day, which time, okay? March 6th at 1:30 to March 4:30, okay, to make the time. And which we have this discussion, what kind of system we know, spec. And then who we have discussion for, attending the meetings, and then the name, right? Whom, you are the companies, okay? And the sign names, you see? And please print out this document and put it here. Put this one. Put it here. And you say thank you everybody for your coming for the meeting. Any questions? No? Okay, thank you for your coming. Okay. The meeting is finished, okay? Just now relax, have a cup of coffee, and then we go back and try the program based on discussion. Please sign your name and leave, okay, as our main meeting record. People are very happy. It's like Gemma, Brenda, and write so many, okay, Jerry said, okay, once you finish, you know what happened? You take it back to your boss, put it on her desk. Hey boss, I finished the system analysis, 3 hours. Everybody signed the agreement, okay? Do you know how much money they can make? Your boss, if this is a $1 million project, your system analysis, when once you finish signing the name, you finish, make a report, and send back tomorrow to his company, he needs to pay you at least a quarter of the payment. Or so what, understand? You only using 3 hour finish, okay? And lesson number 2, if any arguments with your client, because he is going to pay you money, but he refused to pay you money because your program is something wrong, right? That's not in our agreements, so you have an argument. So please, you say, see this contract. See this contract, you sign it, meaning we agree, you sign it, okay? So if the program is on this contract, that means I need to finish. If your function does not excluded in this program, I'm sorry, please put next time, okay? We're going to finish that for you. You understand? Any argument, go to the court based on this system analysis, sign in, okay, as evidence and to prove who is right. You understand? Okay, for the girls, and today's the class in the weekend years, I teach you how to speak English and pretty American English, right? Pronunciation, English is a big mouth language, and they use the speech knowledge, how to improve your testing your pronunciations, and they use the Grammarly, how to train your writing, okay? And they use the system analysis, how to generate the report and PowerPoint, sign names for the contract. Is that good for you? Do you know something? I can hear you. Do you know something in this class? Is that good for you? That's cool. Okay? Alright, so the time is up, okay? And so today the class, we're going to start here, okay? Alright, thank you for coming for this class. And next week, we're going to keep on continuous. And I'm going to training. And next week, please come to class. You know why? I give you very nice the formulas, how to write a report, okay? Take it and put it in your computers. Always write a report and put in my formulas, and you can very fast finish. Understand? Okay, this is come from the 132 PowerPoints for the conference. I just got that. I spent 3 days and years I think that was the formulas. Alright? Kevin, I don't want to give for you. What do you feel? Please, Victor, I need that because that is so wonderful, okay? I need that. It was in that formula to write my report, okay? English report, okay? Without your formulas, I don't feel it's hopeful for me to stay alive. 没有你的那个指引，我觉得任何都没有意义。Understand? You need to say something, okay? All right, okay. This is only a joke, okay? Boy and girls, any questions? Brenda, have any questions? Lina, have any questions? Lily, have any questions? Jerry, have any questions? Kevin, have any That means the time is up for the ending of the class, right? Okay, thank you for coming today, and we're going to see you on next week, okay? All right, thank you for coming, okay? The class is dismissed. Thank you for coming, okay? Okay, all right, thank you. Class is dismissed. And the video can be turned off, okay? Thank you. Hello? Hello? Hi, it's finished, okay? Thank you for the cameraman, okay? The cameraman is going to terminate the program.